Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to do jumbo box braids. So if you like to see the whole process, then keep on watching. My hair is already stretched from using the threading method, so I'll leave the link to my threading video in the description box down below. I'm starting by creating a horizontal part across from ear to ear to make two main sections, a top section and a bottom section. Also, I like to use shine and jam on my parts to make them look clean and sharp. I'm going to be starting with the back section, so I'm putting the front section away with a hair clip. There are going to be 4 main rows on the back section, so I'm parting out the first row. So this first row is going to have 3 smaller sections. I take the first section and I apply shine and jam round the roots. With a toothbrush, I brush in the shine and jam to make my roots really lay flat. And then I use a rubber band to secure the section. So if you're a beginner or you're finding it difficult to braid your hair with extensions, then using rubber bands is going to be a game changer for you. I also place the shine and jam on the length of my hair to make my hair blend with the extension. I have 4 packs of extensions here and it's in the color 1 and 27. This color goes from black to a gold shade at the bottom. And there are 2 bundles in each pack. I take one of the bundles and I split it into 3. I take one part and hold it at the middle, then divide one side into 2. Next, I loop one of the halves round. I place the middle part of the extension on my hair and then I start braiding. So I'm done with the first braid. I take the next section and I repeat the exact same steps. Applying shine and jam onto the roots, then brushing in the product with my toothbrush to make my roots lay flat, and then securing it with a rubber band. Holding the piece of extension, I divide one side into 2 and loop it round. Then I place the middle piece on my hair and I start braiding. Try to hold your hair and the extension firmly, especially at the roots, to get a neat braid. Also remember to smoothen your hair as you braid down. And also I like to add shine and jam to the extension while braiding. This will help to make the hair very smooth. So on the first row I have 3 braids. On the second row I have 4 braids. The third row I have 4 braids also, and on the last row 3. Onto the top section, I'm going to be making a part straight down the middle to divide my hair into 2. I use a hair elastic to put one section away, and then on the free section I make a part to create 2 rows. I further divide the lower row into 2. Again, I apply shine and jam round the roots of that section, and I'm going to be parting out a little in front that I'm going to lay later to frame my edges. It's important to get the thicker rubber bands if you're making large box braids like this, because the thinner ones are just going to break off even before you can make a ponytail with them. Also, applying shine and jam on the length of your hair is going to help you if you have natural hair to make your hair blend and stay straight like the extension. When starting out the braid, try not to rush, take your time. Hold your hair and the extension firmly, and also make sure that the rubber band is covered with the extension. After braiding a couple of times, you can change position and bring your hands to the front to allow your hands rest. When I get towards the end, I divide the extension into two and twist all the way down. So if you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and it's going to make me really happy. Thank you. While braiding, if you notice the top of the braid is bulging out, then stop and pull the extension so that it lays flat. Then you can now continue braiding. As you braid, pull your natural hair to make it as straight as possible in the braid. So on this next row, I'm going to have 3 braids and I'm repeating the exact same steps, applying shine and jam onto the section, taking a rubber band to secure the section, and then also applying the shine and jam on the length of the hair to make it blend with the extension. Then I start braiding with the extension. Remember to grip your hair firmly at the roots so you don't have a loose looking braid. Also, while braiding, if you notice that one piece is becoming too thin, you can borrow from the fatter side and add to the thin side. Then you continue braiding. So I'm done with half side and I'm going to go ahead to braid the other half. So when I was done braiding, I went ahead to trim the little pieces of the extension that was coming out from the braids. And I also trimmed the ends to make everything equal. Next, I put the ends in hot water to make them flat and straight. This is the hairstyle. This is my box braid. Like, this is so cute. I don't know why all these people are looking at me, my mom and my brother. They haven't seen a beautiful princess like me before. Guys, I'm quickly going to do my edges using wax. And before I forget, I'm just going to say it now. It took me about 4 hours to make the whole braid. So guys, this is the final look. These braids are so beautiful. Also, the color is giving everything that it's supposed to give. Like, I normally do just black, but I decided to try colored hair now since it's a thing, and I'm really in love with this color. So let me know, are you going to be trying these braids out? Also, tell me in the comment section what you think about these braids, if they are really cute and neat. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that. Share this video with your family and friends. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.